Heidi ho there, farming and gardening people out there. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I'm out here in the garden and I want to show you how to root another tomato plant off of your existing tomato plant, because you may want to go 1-2 rounds with your tomato plants this year, and I'm going to try to do that. So right over here I want to show you something. This right here is the main stalk coming right up here, okay? And if you look, this here's a limb coming out. And if you look right here, and some people call this the armpit, we have another little sprout coming out of there. And I like to call this a sucker, okay? That's what my dad told me to call it. So we're gonna pinch that off, and we're gonna go out and start us a new plant with this little bad boy right here, okay? Now a lot of people will go around their plants and actually just pinch these off and throw them away, to where it'll cause your plant to actually make larger tomatoes, so it won't make as many. But you can take one of these and we're going to turn this into a new plant, so stay tuned. Okay, we're back over here at our little work area where we work on our plants and stuff. Now if you take a close look at this plant, you will see that there's little hairs on this stem here. Each one of those little hairs will actually turn into a root, okay? So I'm gonna lay this down for a minute. I've got some potting soil and one of my solo cups that I cut a hole in the bottom of. That's the way we potted a lot of our plants this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this cup here, put some potting soil in it, and I'll leave it down about that far, okay? About 3/4 of an inch or so. And all we're gonna do is take this plant, shove it in the hole, shove it in the dirt. Hang on, let me make it a little bit looser. I might have packed it too much. Shove it down in there, okay? And then pack the dirt around it. And I'm gonna put a little bit more dirt around it. Just a couple little sprinkles here. Just like so. And then we're gonna take some water and we're gonna water this, okay? We're gonna put just about that much in there, okay? And you'll see it's running out of the bottom of the cup there. And we'll take this inside the house and we'll stick it in our windowsill at our kitchen, and we'll let it sit like that for about a week or so, okay? And it'll actually make some roots, and you'll see that the plant will actually start growing. Now let me show you what one looks like that I done about 2 weeks ago, okay? Now this sucker was a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna pull this out of the dirt for the first time, and I wanna show you the roots that this thing has started making, okay? Just to prove to you. Let me just let my dirt go back into the bag here. I might have to redo this one. But if you'll notice, look at all them roots, guys. Every bit of that right there just started growing roots. And you can see, like right up here, one of them little hairs, that made a root right there. And it looked like it really started growing some roots right in there. And that's in about 10 days it done all that right there. So this plant here, I'm gonna stick it back in the dirt and we'll let it get back strong again, since I just pulled it out of here. And I'll plant this one here in a few days. Guys, I wanted to thank you for stopping by, checking our little video today. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care.